Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy F22 and today I will show you a couple camera tricks. So at the first we are going to open the camera and I will talk about the features that you can find in the settings, and after that I will show you all modes and a few things that we can also use when we got maybe photo or video mode or any other that you can find in this phone. So let's start and tap on the core and left upper corner to enter the settings, and as you can see at the first we can enable QR code scan. So when you enable this option and if you want to scan your QR code, you can go for the photo mode and then put that code behind your camera like that, and it will be scanned automatically, so you don't have to download any external application. We can also activate this option, swipe shutter button to edge for take a burst shot or create a GIF. You can decide what you want to get. I always take this option, and take a look right now. When you swipe to the edge with your shutter button, you can take the burst shot. So right now when you enter for the gallery and click here, we can store the photos. So we take 17 photos. If you want to pick one of them, click here and then tap to save. Other we can delete. Next, let's go back to the settings, and you can also quickly activate video stabilization by tapping on the switcher. We can also activate auto HDR to get better colors on our photo. And we can activate the grid lines to have better composition. As you can see right now, the grid lines appears on the screen. So if you want to put object on the middle on your photo like that, right now we can definitely match it. We can definitely do it better with the help grid lines. There it is. Sorry guys. We can also activate location tags on the photos by tapping on the switcher. For sure we have to click OK here to activate location. Be sure that location is also enabled in this place. Right now when you take a photo and check the details, we will get exact location where the photo was taken. And the next option there is the shotting methods, so we can change volume key feature. It's currently set up to take a picture or video, but we can control the zoom option, so take a look. When you press volume up or volume down button, you can smoothly zoom in. Or maybe I will show you like that, it will be better example. We can zoom to the 10 times. And we can also press volume down to zoom out. We can also find here floating shutter button, so take a look right now. When I enable this option, here we'll get additional shutter button. As you can see, there's the first and there's the second. Both of them works. You can move it wherever you want in your camera layout. So right now we can much easily click on the shutter if you hold it in a different position. You can also remove it by dragging like that. And when you are here, we can also activate the watermark. So when you take a photo, and the left bottom corner, you will get marked that it was taken on Samsung Galaxy F22 5G. And right now let's focus on the modes. So when you are in the photo mode, you can use wide lens or the normal lens, but also we can use camera timer. When you click here and choose, for example, 5 seconds and press the shutter button, photo will be taken after 5 seconds. In the video mode, we can quickly change resolution. And when we are in the more modes, we can find here slow motion, hyperlapse, night mode, pro mode, panorama and food. In the Pro mode we can control ISO level, white balance, EV, and also focus. The video how to use the Pro mode you can find in our YouTube channel, so if you don't know, just check it out. In the Hyperlapse you can, for example, change the speed for 4 times and you can record that. So for me that's all. I hope that I'll help you. If you find this video helpful, if you like the tricks, let me know in the comment, and of course subscribe to our channel. So